Pash burin tjerdi dhe I kam një dhurat. Yeah, happy welcome home.
What have you in your hand again? Deliver again.
Not for me, for you.
For me?
Të mora diçka, yes, I got you something. Një blej për veten time tu, ti marrim edhe burrave ndonjë gjë kështu të voçkët. Something really small.
But how much? How you pay it? From my account or your account?
My account. Ç'është kjo my account, your account? Një llogari është e përbashkët. Hajde ku.
Ah, what's that? Is that for me or for you?
It's for you, është në ngjyrë blu. It's really small, but it's for you.
What happened?
What happened? Nothing. Nuk ka temperaturë. Të mora një dhurat, nuk mund të bëj një dhurat. I cannot make your present.
But what is inside?
Nuk më besoj që I mora telefon. Çfarë ka qepi patate? Onions and potato. You can open.
Yeah, but what do you want? What do you want? This is too much. You need something, isn't it?
Nuk dua asë dhe, I don't want anything.
Mm.
Let me
Thank
open
you,
it.
baby.
Let me open.
Get lost. Oh my god.
I bukur është.
Ah!
Për burin se mua nuk t'jeshtë.
What comes with cable?
The more satisfied thing.
Jesus.
Ta gëzosh. Congratulations.
Thank you.